Good afternoon, dear students. How are you? Okay, it's me, Iqbal, your maths teacher. Today I'm going to teach you how can write one half, one fourth, one third, and three fourths. How can write one half and one fourth, one third, and three fourths. This topic from our first chapter, fraction. Okay, let's start. At first, let's discuss about one half. How can read this? One half. Okay, I am writing using numbers. I am writing the one half using numbers. How can write one half? Listen, this one. How can read this number? 1 by 2. Students, please read 1 by 2. Or you can read half, one half. Okay, 1 by 2. Then I am showing a figure to you. Please listen that. Look, okay. You can see a circle there. Then I cut that circle into two equal parts. How many equal parts? Two equal parts. Where is that? 1, 2. I cut that circle into two equal parts. Then I shaded one part. This is half of the circle. The shaded part is half of the circle, or you can say the shaded part is 1 by 2 of the circle. Okay, then next let's discuss about 1/4. 1/4. How can write 1/4 using numbers? 1/4. Listen, this one. How can read this number? 1 by 4. Once again, 1 by 4, or you can read 1/4. Okay, I am showing a figure, a circle to you. So I cut that circle into how many equal parts? 4 equal parts. This one, 4 equal parts. I cut that circle into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I shaded one part of the circle. I shaded one part. I cut into 4 equal parts and shaded one part. Okay, how can read this? 1/4 of the circle shaded, or you may say 1 by 4 part of the circle shaded. Okay, next, this one, 1/3. Okay, 1/3. How can write 1/3 using numbers? I am showing this one. How can read this number? 1/3, or you may read 1 by 4. Once again, 1 by 4. Sorry, 1 by 3. Okay, 1 by 3. Then I am showing a circle or figure to you. This one. Here I cut the circle into how many equal parts? This one, 3 equal parts. What is that? 1, 2, 3. I cut the circle into 3 equal parts. 1, 2, and 3. Then I shaded one part of the circle. I shaded one part. Out of 3, I shaded one part. Out of 3, I shaded one part. That is 1 by 3 of the circle shaded. Next, this one, 3/4. How can read? 3/4. Then how can write that 3/4 using numbers? I am showing 3 is above and 4 is below. How can read this? 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Or you can read 3/4. Okay, then I am showing a figure to you, a circle to you. Here I cut that circle into 4 equal parts. This down number 4 equal parts. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. I cut into 4 equal parts. Then I shaded 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. So you can say here 3/4 of the circle is shaded. 3/4 of the circle is shaded, or 3/4 of the circle is shaded. Okay, next I am showing some questions from your textbook. This one first. Color 1/2 of each of the following shapes. Read that question. Color 1/2 of each of the following shapes. Here 1/2. 1/2. Then how can write 1/2? That is, you may write like this way. 1/2. That I already explained. 1/2. 1/2. 2 equal parts. Shade 1 part. Color 1 part. Here in the first figure, how many equal part is there? 2 equal part. Then how many part we want to shade? 1 part. The above number, that 1 part we want to shade. I am shading. Okay. Or you may shade. I am not shading now. Some problem is there. Okay, you may shade. How many parts you may shade? 1 part. That way, do this also. Shade 1 part. Here also shade 1 part. Here also shade. Students, take your textbook and shade 1 part out of 2. 1 out of 2 of this each figures. Okay. Next question. This one. Okay, color 1/4 of each of the following shapes. Color 1/4. How can I write 1/4? What is 1/4? Okay, color 1/4. Then I told you, you can write 1/4, that is 1/4. This one, 1/4. Then 4 equal parts, you may shade 1 part. Here, how many equal parts is there? You may count 1, 2, 3, 4. Then shade 1 part. Okay. Then here in second question, how many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. You may shade 1 part. In third question, how many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. You may shade 1. Okay. In every question, shade 1 out of 4. Shade 1 out of 4. Okay. You may shade any. Next question. This. Color 1/3 of each of the following shapes. Some shapes are given there. You want to color 1/3. How can I write 1/3? That is 1/3. In 3 equal part, color 1 part. In 3 equal part, color 1 part. Okay. The next, this question. Color 3/4 of the following shapes. 3/4. 3/4. How can I write 3/4? 3/4. In 4 equal part, color 3 part. Okay. I am coloring. Here you may color. Here you may color. Here also you may color. That is 3/4. This one, 1, 2, 3. Color 3 part out of 4. 1, 2, 3. You may color. 1, 2, 3. Okay, in each question, color 3 part. Let's wind up now. Have a nice day. Thank you.